Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel. Today we are exploring one of the most debated topics in the financial world. Will AI replace traders and what the future of trading might look like in a world increasingly dominated by artificial intelligence? As market become more automated and algorithms handle huge volumes of trade every second, many wonder if humans trader will still have a role in the next decade. The rise of AI in trading, artificial intelligence and machine learning have already transfer the financial industry. AI system can process massive data sets or recognize patterns faster than any human and execute trades within milliseconds. High frequency trading to predictive models AI offers efficiency, precision and speed that are impossible to match manually. They can analyze historical data, economic indicators, central bank announcement and even social media sentiment to make trading decisions. It removes emotional biases, fatigue and inconsistent judgment which are common pitfalls for human traders. This has led some for questions whether conditional traders will soon become obsolete. The strength of human traders, despite AI capabilities, human traders still possess quality that machines cannot replicate entirely. Humans can interpret micro event, geopolitical risk, and subtle market psychology in ways that are nuanced and adoptive. For example, an accepted geopolitical tensions, policy decisions, or sudden regulatory changes require judgment, creativity, and experience areas where AI may struggle, especially with unprecedented scenarios. Additionally, human institutional risk perceptions and the ability to judge strategy in real times during chaotic market conditions remain invaluable. Professional traders often combine technical analysis with contextual understanding, some things AI can replicate and partial. How AI is changing trading roles? AI is not necessarily replacing traders, it's reshaping their roles. Many traders now act as managers of AI system, designing strategies, supervising algorithms, and interpreting results. Instead of entering every trade manually, they focus on strategy optimization, risk management, and performance evaluation. AI also enables traders to focus on high-level decision making rather than repetitive tasks. Data collection, starting, back testing, and pattern recognitions are automatic, freeing up human traders to apply strategy thinking. Opportunity in AI-driven trading. Professional traders can leverage AI in multiple spaces. Automatic strategy implements algorithm trading system that execute precise entries and exist. Predictive analytics use AI to anticipate volatility, trend reversals, and potential market shocks. Portfolios management optimize diversification, risk allocation using AI-driven model sentiments analysis, monitor news, social media, and economic reports in real time to gauge market sentiment. These tools enhance human decision making rather than fully replace it, allowing traders to increase efficiency while reducing exposure to error caused by emotion delayed reactions. Risk and limitations of AI in trading. AI is not perfect and come with risk. Models are only as good as the data they are trained on. Unforeseen market shock, geopolitical crisis, or black swan events can lead to catastrophic losses if AI systems are not properly monitored. Over reliance on AI may also reduce a trader's skill development. Traders who depend solely on automations may struggle in manual trading scenarios, especially when systems fail or market behave unpredictably. Regulatory and ethical concerns also come into play. Algorithm trading can amplify volatility, creating flash crashes, sometimes behave in ways that regulators find unacceptable. Professional oversight is still necessary. The future human plus AI collaboration. The most likely future of trading is a hybrid model where humans and AI work together. Traders will design strategy, monitor markets, and interpret micro events while AI handle data processing, executions, and pattern recognition. These combination leverage the speed, analytical power of AI and the judgment, creativity, and adaptability of humans. Institutions that adopt this hybrid model are likely to outperform those relying slowly on either humans or AI. Practical advice for traders. For individual professional traders, embrace AI tools, learn to integrate AI-driven analytics and algorithm into your trading routine. Focus on skill AI control, replace microeconomic analysis, risk management, market psychology, and strategy design remain critical. Stay updated. AI technology evolves rapidly. Continuous learning is essential to remain competitive. Diversified strategies use AI for precision trading while keeping directionary trades for unique opportunities. By combining the strength of AI with human institutions, traders can navigate even the most complex market effectively. Someday, AI is transforming trading, but it is unlikely to replace professional trader entirely. The future favors those who can leverage AI while retaining strategic and creative adopting human skills. Traders should embrace these collaborations will have the edges in a market increasingly driven by technology. Understanding how AI components human decision making allows you to relay relevant, reduce risk, and potential profit more consistently in the all market condition. If you found these discussions inside and want to stay ahead in trading strategies, market analysis, and professional insights, subscribe to the channel, turn on notification, make sure you don't miss any update. Thanks.